Hi. This is a camera. A perfect camera. Without lens distortion. And this is a perfect, smooth, sphere. This is what we see through the camera. Let's see the final rendered result. Now let's move the camera on the sphere. Not touching the sphere but just a little bit above it. Now let's see how it looks like from here. Can you see this? That's right. A flat horizon. This is definitive proof that all spheres are flat surfaces and that mathematicians and universities are lying to us. Please like, share and subscribe. More definitive proof to come.